Will this day feature the penultimate fixtures of our tournament or will our finals be extended in the Rodeo capital of the Philippines? Yan ang mga katanungang dapat masagutan. But before that, our agenda for our first matchup, battle for third muna tayo between the municipalities of Aroroy and Baleno. Marahay na hapon mga kasurog, you are live with us sa Milagros Municipal Covered Court to bring you our runners-up who will compete for our third place matchup in the Ako Bicol Cup. Masbate hatid sa inyo ni Representative Zaldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. I am Jem Pleto alongside our resident basketball expert and coach, Coach Paul Sepe. Coach, kamusta ka?
Yes, hello Jem, and magandang hapon po sa lahat ng ating mga manonood. No? Okay naman Jem, no? At I'm very excited for these two teams na sabi ko nga napakagagaling din, Baleno and Aroroy. Although they came up short on this tournament and andito sila to battle it out for the third runners-up. Pero sabi nga natin, hindi matatawaran itong galing ng dalawang kupunan na ito.
Coach, speaking of coming up short, given na ito ay runners-up match at ito ay battle for third, still, they want to finish strong in this tournament. What do you think should be their mentality coming into this game?
No, kahit naman battle for third ito, no, ang mentality lagi, dapat laging championship game, no? So talagang dapat itong dalawang kupunan na ito ay usayan both inside the court, yung offense and defense nila. And of course, kilala naman natin itong Team Baleno with their good bigs and the lights of Noy Pragoso, also of Mark Poole. At ito naman sa kabila, itong si Tikboy de Losario, we have Randy Cantonos and also Hafer Mondragon. So, ito ang titingnan natin dito if maganda ang kanilang ipakita for these two teams, partner. For sure, ang kanilang mga kupunan ay matutuwa dito sa ating third runner-up battle. But again, sabi nga natin, di natin alam kung sino talaga ang mananalo. Bilog ang bola. Yun lang, gawin lang nila kung ano yung sistema, ano yung prepare nila dito sa larong ito, and for sure, they will be happy of what the outcome is dito sa larong ito.
You are most definitely right, Coach. Talagang matched up and evenly matched up itong ating dalawang teams and dalawang koponan na maglalaban for our battle for third, and we will determine who will win this game. Bigay na natin sa ating arena announcer na si Mr. JV Salvidar. There we go, first five for both teams on the hard court. Tip-off between Noy Pragoso and Hafer Mondragon. And we are underway in this battle for third matchup. Coach, what do you think is our expectations for this first five lineup sa dalawang team?
Ito naman ang usually first five nitong mga dalawang kupunan nito, especially for Aroroy, partner. Ito very sabi ko nga during their stint sa kanilang elimination papuntang second round and semifinals. maganda yung maturity nitong team na to. And the likes of Ronald Mortel and also etong si Tikboy Del Rosario when manning the point. So talagang maganda ang pinapakita nila all throughout the game. Sabi ko nga, for Team Baleno naman, ang talagang nagpakita dito ng talagang lakas nitong Team Baleno, itong si Noy Pragoso at itong si Mark Poole, partner. And also, hindi mo din maka-countdown itong si Danilo Lauro coming off the bench, so maganda ang pinapakita. So yan ang story nitong larong ito. Those players, pag nag-contribute yan, and of course, wag natin i-countdown yung mga bench players din na talagang tutulong dito sa kupunan na ito.
As we were talking, Coach Randy Contojos draws first blood for Team Aroroy. Here's Del Rosario, passes inside to Calo, rebound by Pragoso. Laurio, and that's a foul from Mortel. That will be his first personal foul in this game. And Coach, both teams are starting out fast here in the ball game.
Oo, talagang gusto talaga nila na magbigay ng statement dito pa lang sa first quarter, no? And of course, alam mo naman yan si Danilo Lauro at itong si Mortel, talagang very explosive guards itong dalawang ito, no? But again, sabi nga natin, tingnan natin kung yung good start ba na yan ng Team Aroroy ay magtutuloy-tuloy ay makakabawi itong mga taga-Baleno dito.
As Laurio misses his both free throw shots. But still, the ball is from Baleno. Rebound by Mortel. Mortel, given the point guard duties for this game. Here is Mondragon at the top of the circle. To Calo. Calo gives it back. Mondragon for three. No good. Rebound by Poole.
Normally, partner, na ipapasok yan ni Hafer Mondragon, no? Sabi ko nga, si Hafer talaga, kahit malaki, pero kaya pumuntos sa loob. Speaking of puntos, nagsisimula na ito si Mark Poole. That's the first 2 points of Mark Poole dito sa ating laro.
And Mark Poole with the hoop and the harm. Like a coach, he does it very well often. Itong si Mark Poole, very athletic, very strong in the court, in the front court also. This is his first 2 points para sa ating ball game.
Sabi ko nga, tinanong mo ko kanina, partner, no? Ano ba yung talagang story nito? This will be the rematch of these two teams, no? During their fight between noong August 22, no? Nananaig doon itong mga taga-Aroroy, Tikboy Del Rosario. If you recall, that partner scored 53 points in that game with 10 3-pointers. So, tingnan natin kung makakabawi itong mga taga-Baleno doon sa pagkatalo nila doon sa laban na iyon.
You're right, Coach. That elimination game featured the 10 3-pointers from Tikboy Del Rosario. And let's see how he will fare in this game. But now, nasa Baleno ngayon ng bola. And that's a double dribble from Jesse Odo. See, Coach, ito talaga, kailangan nilang i-turn down itong mga unforced errors coming off the game, itong Team Baleno. Poole. Here is Noy Pragoso. Scanning the middle. Pass to Laurio inside.
Yun ang nagagawa, partner, ni Hafer Mondragon. Medyo nailang si Danilo Lauri on that shot.
And that's an N1 from Tikboy Del Rosario. It's just his first 2 points, but let's expect na talagang he will score bunches of points para sa ating ball game.
First 2 points si Tikboy Del Rosario. A while ago, I said talagang pinakita na during their matchup between this Baleno team. No elimination. 10 3-pointer, 53 points on that game. Naalala ko nun, partner, maski si Noy Pragoso hindi makapaniwala doon sa ginawa ni Tikboy Del Rosario. Pag nakikita ko siya, talagang nakatuwa nga siya doon sa mga 3 points na binibitawan nito ni Tikboy Del Rosario.
Jokino in the corner. Rebound by Fajardo. And Fajardo scores his first 2 points for Baleno. Tikboy Del Rosario calling out the play for Team Aroroy. Passes to Calo. With the screen from Mondragon. 2-man action stolen by Jokino. Jokino on the open floor. Poole. That's good.
Good pass to the part of Jonas Jokino on trailing Mark Poole.
Mark Poole now has 4 points in the field. Here is Del Rosario. And that's a foul from Jokino. He was caught reaching there by the referee.
So I think that's the first foul also.
First personal foul.
At ito partner, isa ding magaling na guard. Itong si Rehuso. Ito, kadalasan si Rehuso talaga. More on the defensive side siya. Dito for Team Aroroy. But let's see ngayong larong ito kung ano makakontribute niya dito.
Contojos again on the inside. That's good for Randy Contojos.
4 na puntos itong si Randy Contojos dito sa ating ball game.
Juquino scanning the floor. Pass to Poole. Poole with the screen from Fragoso. Lario free from the corner. No good. Rebound by Nick Boy Del Rosario. Nagmamadali. Passes to Contojos. Easy 2 points again. And that's a foul from Rehuso. Kakapasok niya lang. Nakakuha kagad siya ng unang foul dito sa ating game.
Medyo maganda ang transition na ginagawa nitong Team Aroroy. But sabi ko nga, 4 na yung nakababa sa kanila doon. They should be mindful partner na may naiiwan for Team Baleno. That's why itong si Noy Fragoso ay nakakuha ng foul doon mula kay Rehuso.
That's right, Coach. Noy Fragoso really a force on the inside. And of course, when he drives that ball, talagang magkakaroon talaga ng fouls from the opposing side's
Sabi
players.
ko, how can you stop that agile big na ganyan kay Noy Fragoso, no? Na talagang maganda yung footworks and also napakahaba. Kung guard to big ang matchup, talagang mahihirapan dito.
Del Rosario with a fadeaway, but there's a foul, a shooting foul on Juquino. I believe that's his second personal foul. And talagang yun ang ginagawa nito nga si Tikboy Del Rosario. Always drawing those fouls, getting that isolation play. And
Oo nga, partner, tama ka doon. Kung mapansin mo kasi na medyo may height difference itong si Juquino at si Tikboy. Medyo matangkad si Tikboy ng konti. So that's why na-recognize sa yon. That's why hiningi na yung bola sa ilalim.
Tikboy Del Rosario good on his first charity shot. Completes both of his free throws for Tikboy Del Rosario. 5 points already for the Aquaman. De La Rosa at the top of the circle to Laurio. Gets a pick from Fragoso to Poole, and it will be a turnover for Team Baleno.
Medyo mababa yung handoff partner nito ni De La Rosa. Papunta dito kay Mark Poole. But again, that could have been an easy 2 points for Rehuso partner. Kung medyo tiningnan niya pa split seconds bago niya hinabol So, sayang yung turnover na yon.
Mondragon picks it off to Mortel. Mortel can shoot that shot. Mortel in the middle. It's good. First 2 points for Ronald Mortel in this ball game.
Very unselfish on the part of Rehuso partner on that play.
Our score is 13-7. This is less than 5 minutes in the ball game. Rebound by Fajardo on the post. Fajardo, baby hook, no good. Rebound by. The ball goes to Mortel. Mortel kicks it out to Contojos. Contojos fakes it out. Libre. Easy for Randy Contojos. And mapapatime out ang ating coach from Baleno. But before we head on to our action, let's go to our third member of the panel, ating courtside reporter na si Miss Carmela Hernandez. Miss Carmela?
Thank you so much, Coach Paul at Jem, at magandang hapon, mga kasurog. Under the guidance of Coach Alan Licop, Team Baleno is entering this game with a clear understanding of what's at stake. Coach Licop has emphasized that this is their final opportunity and the team is determined to give their all today. However, it is important to note the significant challenge they face. Team Baleno's key player, Mark Poole, is preparing for a tough battle against Team Aroroy's star player, which is Del Rosario, has been a standout performer throughout the season. That's why Baleno's game plan is to lock down Del Rosario, manage the rotation, and play with fierce determination. The key to success will be a well-executive defensive strategy, effective rotation management, and unwavering determination. So stay tuned as we bring you live updates throughout the game. This is Carmela Hernandez, your courtside reporter. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Carmela, for that report. No? So yun na nga, kakasabi lang ni Carmela, the game plan of Baleno is talagang to stop Tikboy Del Rosario. Kasi nga, nung talagang matchup nila, ito nang mahirap sa kanila, partner. But as Mark Poole baseline drive. Another 2 points, 6 na puntos, partner for Mark Poole.
Mark Poole racking up the points on the inside. Very athletic play and strong play. And yan ang ginagawa ni Mark Poole for Team Baleno. But right now, here's Rehuso. Kicks it out to the corner. Cantojo, short jumper. And there's a foul, loose ball foul. That will be on Mark Poole. He was holding on to Rehuso. He was caught by our officials here underneath the basket. And coach, you know, this won't be shy of a physical game kasi nga, sabihin natin na kahit na third place match, this is the rematch from the eliminations.
Sabi nga natin, talaga aabangan natin dito yung physicality ng buong team sa Rehuso again with that rebound. That's the first 2 points of George Rehuso, partner dito sa ating ball game.
Good second chance opportunity from George Rehuso. De La Rosa for 3. That's a no-go. Del Rosario passes it off. Touchdown pass to Cantojos. Blocked by Salvacion. Here is Mondragon again. And there is Hafer Mondragon to clean up the glass for Team Aroroy.
Grabe. Minsan tatanungin mo paano nakaabot si Hafer doon ng ganun kabilis, partner. But again, that's another easy 2 points for Team Aroroy. Courtesy of Hafer Mondragon.
Mondragon passes it out to Mortel. Mortel 3-on-2. Mondragon. Del Rosario, that's a foul. And he picks up his first personal foul tong si Ocampo.
Good unselfish play on the part of Team Aroroy. 3-on-2 fast break situation. Again, Tikboy Codin made that basket, partner, pero nakahanap siya ng foul doon mula dito kay Campo.
And that's what you need, coach, when you're doing a 3-on-2 break. You need to spread the ball and get the man open.
Yun naman talaga ang dapat. No? Normally, yun ang pinaka-basic doon. No? So, kasi ang pinaka-maganda doon yung spacing. Kunin mo yung magandang spacing. Kasi kung walang ganon, for sure, that will resort to a turnover.
And Tikboy Del Rosario completes his 2 shots from the free throw line. Here's Campo. Campo passes to Poole. Fajardo in the post. Double team by Alminia and Mondragon. Fajardo having trouble, but there's a call. What's the call?
Traveling, partner, on Fajardo. Good double on Roy Alminia.
He was really bothered, no, coach?
Oo, she's bothered by the 2 big guys of Aroroy.
Right now, here's Mortel calling out the play. A pick by Alminia to Rehuso with the isolation. Mondragon. It's steal by De La Rosa. And this will be a runaway 2-pointer for Team Baleno.
And si Mortel naman sumagot ng 3-pointer on the other side. First 3-pointer of Ronald Mortel and first 3-pointer din sa ating ball game, partner.
That was
for
a quick
both teams.
Quick retaliation from Mortel. Salvacion passes inside. Campo. There's a no-go. Fajardo hounded by 3 Aroroy players, but Del Rosario gets the ball. Here's the Aquaman for 3. No good. But there's a foul. Foul on Hafer Mondragon. He was caught boxing out and extending his arm against the smaller guy. Ito si De La Rosa.
Grabe, maganda yung positioning ni De La Rosa doon. Just standing his ground, partner, para mabuha yung foul na yun dito kay Hafer Mondragon.
And right now, he's the point guard for this team. De La Rosa in and out. Great dribble move and 1! That was a nice move towards the basket. In and out dribble, gets the floater. That's what you want from your point guard.
Yes, that's what you want for the point guard. Those kinds of aggressive drives. And also, yun nga, sabi nga natin, yun na partner, mamaya, for sure, pag may mga ganong klase, sasalubungin siya ng big, mas madali siya makaka-drop sa kanya mga kakampi.
And let's credit how his big guys talagang feed that driving lane, given the pick. And of course,
maganda yung setup ng pick kasi.
That's right, coach.
But again, sabi nga natin, misdirection. Hindi niya naman ginamit yung pick eh. Kaya, in-overplay kasi nito ni Mortel. So that's why, lusot itaw si De La Rosa.
And Mondragon inside against a smaller guy. That's too easy for him. Hafer Mondragon with 6 points in the ball game. De La Rosa. Manning his duties here. De La Rosa passes to Salvacion. At the top of the circle, jumper, but no, he passes. Del Rosario. Yakuma, nagmamadali. Del Rosario gets that floater in. It bounces off, and the ball will go to Arroy. 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining in the first quarter. 15-second shot clock. Del Rosario in the isolation play. Triple threat. Jumper. No good. The ball goes to Mark Poole. At mapupunta sa side ng Baleno ang bola. Here's Mark Poole. Gets a pick from Pajardo. To the corner. Salvacion open for 3. No good.
Still struggling itong mga taga-Baleno. At the arc.
And that's a nice touchdown pass from Del Rosario to Mortel. Great vision, coach.
Yes, good find dito ni Tikbal Del Rosario. At yun ang story dito ng first quarter. Yung talagang transition partner. Once itong Aroroy ay nakakapag-control ng bola, ayun, yung sinasabi nga natin, that's another good transition play on the part of Team Aroroy.
And that's another fast break points for Team Aroroy. De La Rosa with his floater. No good. Del Rosario na naman, nagmamadali. Looks at the clock. Pauses for a while. Jumper. Wala pa rin. And that's the end of our first quarter. Very fast-paced. Starting out strong itong Aroroy with 30 points against Baleno's 14 points. Coach, what are your thoughts?
Yun nga, partner, yun ang sinasabi natin. Story of this first quarter. Every time itong Aroroy is controlling that ball, talagang tumatakbo sila, partner. So yun ang medyo nauhuli itong mga taga-Baleno dito. But again, sabi nga natin, for sure may mga adjustments to comes the second quarter. So titingnan natin kung anong mga adjustments. Again po, sa lahat ng mga ating mga manonood, this is the battle for third dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. And alam mo ba, partner, kung ilang at stake dito for them? This is 100,000 pesos lang naman.
You know, Coach, kahit nasabihin natin na this is the game for the runners-up, well, of course, both teams will provide and will showcase their very best. Kasi nga, coming into the Inter-Province, before our Inter-Province, this is our last leg, they want to finish strong sa ating tournament.
Yun naman talaga. Kasi nga, ito pong dalawang kupunan din ito na ikasali na sa ating Inter-Province, no? Kasi top 4 teams ang ating kukunin. But again, sino kaya ang mananalo dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito na napakagagaling? At sabi ko nga, yung Final Four natin dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Masbate is talagang deserving lahat maglaro sa finals. But again, itong dalawang kupunan na ito, they just came up short on that semifinals. But again, sabi nga natin, tingnan natin dito kung makakabawi itong mga taga-Baleno for Team Aroroy at kung magtutuloy-tuloy naman itong mga taga-Aroroy dito sa sinisimulan nilang scoring barrage dito sa first quarter, partner.
That's right. That the first quarter was led by Mortel, Tikboy, De Rosario, and Hafer Mondragon. And of course, on the side of Arroy is Randy Contojos. Literally, they scored bunches of points for the first quarter, high-scoring ball game. But right now, here is Del Rosario, manning the middle to Mortel. Mortel slashes through. That's a good back shot.
Pasadahan ko itong leading scorer natin. Kakasabi lang natin, Mark Poole, 6 na puntos. Ating si Randy Contojos, 8 points na, partner, dito sa ating ball game.
Here's Laurio to De La Rosa in the middle. Laurio goes to the paint. That's a no-go. Mortel again on the fast break opportunity. Takes the three-point shot. It's good! Ronald Mortel.
Maganda ang gising ni Ronald Mortel, partner, dito sa ating ball game.
And he still carries that momentum from the last game na naka-score siya ng marami, Coach.
Yes, partner. That's the 10th point dito ni Mortel sa ating ball game.
And Ronald Mortel is really a bright spot for Team Aroroy para sa point guard duties. And he really relieves some point guard duties para kay Del Rosario.
Yes, partner. And of course, itong si Ronald Mortel dito sa ball game na ito, 100% on the 3-point country. So, dalawang 3 points na ang binibitawan nito ni Ronald Mortel. At lahat yun, pasok.
And that's good for Noy Fragoso. That's good touch in the middle, coach. Yun ang kailangan mo para sa mga sentro, di ba, coach?
Yes, partner, yung soft touch. But again, that's the first 2 points of the game nito ni Noy Fragoso. At sabi nga natin, dapat mag-contribute dito si Noy Fragoso. No? Hindi lang in terms of rebounding, but also scoring, partner. Kasi sabi nga natin, yun ang advantage siya. Malaki siya inside the paint. Mas malapit, mas high percentage. So dapat yun ang gawin ni Noy Fragoso.
Meanwhile, here's Hafer Mondragon with the jumper. Jokino. 3-on-3 break. Jokino to Fragoso, but it's the same ball. It bounced off the foot of Tikboy Del Rosario.
Actually, that was a bad pass, partner, on the part of Jonas Jokino. Napakababa nung bounce pass niya na yun. No? So muntik na sila doon. Another turnover na naman sana for Team Baleno.
Here's De La Rosa in the middle. De La Rosa to Jokino. Fragoso. And there's a foul from Randy Contojos. Fragoso trying to isolate the play in the middle. Diyan talaga siya naglalaro, di ba, coach?
Yes, partner. Usually talaga yan ang trademark nito ni Noy Fragoso. He will get the ball dyan sa may free throw line. And again, pag nag-face basket, pag hindi mo sinalubong, talagang aatakihin niya yung middle na yan, partner.
And coach, itong si Noy Fragoso has been one of the highlights ng ating tournament. You know, before this semifinals and of course this battle for third games, nung sa eliminations talaga nagpapakita ng galing. Most of the highlights sa ating top 10 plays talagang siya ang nandun, and he is the one who is featured sa ating mga top 10 plays.
Sabi nga natin talagang napaka-kondisyon, bata pa, so talaga malaki ang binibigay nito ni Noy Fragoso for Team Baleno.
And that will be his third personal foul. Itong si Jokino. It's just 2 minutes has gone by sa ating second quarter. Mondragon frees himself up. Mondragon for 3. And that will go to the team of Baleno. Mark Poole. Mark Poole slashes his way through. That's good.
8 points yan, partner. Si Mark Poole. Good drive on Mark Poole on that play.
He's a really slashy player, coach.
Very strong, very agile. And of course, sabi nga natin talaga yung kung mapapansin mo, yung leaping ability din is nandyan for this guy, Mark Poole.
But meanwhile, Mortel passes to the free man, Contojos. Here's Poole again, sa open floor. Jokino open on the fast break. And that's good for Jonas Jokino. Mapapatimeout ngayon ng Team Aroroy. 35-21. 7 minutes and 14 seconds left in our first half. And coach, what do you think should be the adjustments of Team Aroroy sa ating sa timeout na to?
Yes, partner, kung mapapansin mo, sabi ko nga nung nakaraang quarter sila ang tumatakbo. Right now, ang tumatakbo ay Team Baleno. So, good counter on the part of Baleno. But again, sabi nga natin, yung ginagawa nitong Aroroy, they need to have their transition defense, partner. Kasi yun ang magiging problema nila pag talagang magtuloy-tuloy yung transition play na pinapakita naman ngayon ng mga taga-Baleno dito sa second quarter. So sabi ko nga, yung adjustments, counterin mo. Kung tinatakbuhan ka, takbuhan mo rin. So ganyan ang ginagawa ng mga taga-Baleno dito.
Earlier, coach, nakita natin yung play. Most of the Team Aroroy's players were late on the transition defense, kaya nakascore doon ng marami itong Team Baleno. Right now, they're ahead by 14. Pero ngayon, nasa momentum ngayon ng Team Baleno.
Yes, partner. So yun nga. That's why napatawag ng timeout doon itong mga taga-Aroroy. So let's see kung ano talaga adjustments sa gagawin dito itong mga taga-Aroroy.
Here's Calo in the middle to Del Rosario. Mondragon on the post. Finds his man. Calo for 3. No good. And the ball will go to Baleno. 35-21 ang ating score sa ating ball game. Lamang pa rin ng mga taga-Aroroy. Jokino passes to the middle, but there's a foul. That will be called on number 27, Anden Calo. That will be his first personal foul. And coach, talagang pag nasa gitna tong si Fragoso, you have no choice but to guard him or to hound him. And sometimes that will it results to fouls.
Yun nga yung sinasabi ko kanina kasi yung gustong-gusto niya. Kasi once you receive on the middle, may tao ka sa corner, may tao ka sa kabilang corner. So one-on-one ka nung yung big man mo. So eto si Noy Fragoso, eto kahit naman medyo mahaba si Hammer Mondragon, no? Pag one-on-one, medyo mas mabilis itong si Noy Fragoso. That's why napipilitan yung guards ng Aroroy na humelp galing sa taas. So that's the time na talagang doon na magiging problema kasi yung tapik galing sa likod. So that's automatic foul.
And you heard that first time from our resident basketball guru. But right now, here is Team Baleno rebounding the ball. Fajardo passes to Poole. Poole 2-on-1. Drives hard. Gets that basket to go. Grabe tong si Mark Poole. 10 points already in the ball game.
Yes, partner. So talaga yung presence ni Mark Poole ay pinapakita niya dito sa second quarter. Sabi ko nga, itong dalawang player ito, Noy Fragoso and Mark Poole, ay kailangan magtrabaho dito if they want to get back on this game.
Del Rosario, that's a no good on the three-point shot. Fragoso. He finds Laurio in the corner. Laurio thinks about it. But this is a traveling violation. He could not eject that pass to Noy Fragoso.
Oo, yun nga. Sabi ko nga, ang ganda ng drive. But again, hindi niya na-drop pass dito kay Noy Fragoso. That could have been an easy 2 for Noy Fragoso on that sequence.
On the other hand, here is Mortel with the point guard duties para sa Team Aroroy. Mortel calling out the play. Rehuso gets a pick from Cantojos. Cantojos kicks out. Mortel for 3. But here is Baleno on the run. Joquino bumps off Mortel. No good. Rebound by Cantojos. And Tikboy Del Rosario secures the ball. Gets a pick from Cantojos. Fires a long bomb. But that's a no good. Itong si Poole drives hard to the basket. It won't count, sabi ng ating officials. But he'll draw the foul for Team Baleno.
Ito, kung makikita mo, partner, itong dalawang kupunan nito, wala masyadong set up, no? Talaga, they are just running the floor. Kung sino yung open, kung sino yung may dala ng bola, rarat-ratin lang talaga. So, yan, dito, partner, makikita mo yung aggressiveness ng both teams dito sa second quarter.
That's correct. Mark Poole has been aggressive ever since at the start of the opening frame. Talagang he's driving hard and he wants those fouls and he wants to score. Give and go to Fragoso again in the middle. Here is Laurio. Gets that basket and one. Danilo Laurio. You know, Coach, this guy really surprises us sa ating commentary booth. Yung mga performances niya in the past games. This guy, even though his size is just as small for his position, talagang athletic, tumatalon, masipag, gives that extra hustle at the start of the ball game. Talagang consistent tong batang to.
Oo, sabi ko nga, normally he comes off the bench, no? But right now, dito sa ating Battle for Third ay nag-start siya. Averages 11 points per game, partner, coming off the bench, ha? And of course, maganda rin ang kanyang depensa. So, yun nga, sabi ko nga, talaga may naaalala akong player dito sa Cam Norte Leg, dito kay Danilo Laurio, na kung saan yung first jump at second jump, partner, halos pantay, no? So, bibihira sa mga player na yung mga ganong klase.
And that's a three-point shot from Aljon Calo. That's a great find from Tikboy Del Rosario. And Tikboy has been the provider ngayon sa ating
Yes,
laro.
partner, oo. So kanina kasi, partner, kung mapansin mo, medyo nag-struggle siya behind the arc. So siguro naisip niya, mag-contribute na lang ako muna sa assist, no?
Joquino tries to get that three-pointer back, pero wala yon. Del Rosario may tanga ng bola. Two-man game with Hafer Mondragon. He passes to Calo. Switches the play to the middle. Cantojos to Calo. Thinks about the three-point shot. Passes to Mortel. Mondragon for 3. Another one. 2 straight long bombs for Team Aroroy.
That's the fourth triple of Team Aroroy, partner, as a team, no? Sabi ko nga kanina, talagang normally na ipapasok yung middle three-pointer yan ni Hacker Mondragon.
And Mark Poole with a 3-point shot of his own, but that's no good. Cantojos, touchdown pass. Fakes out his man. Mortel with the offensive rebound. Tikboy ngayon, make a pass to Calo. Calo again. And that's a heat check from him. Here's Fragoso. 2-on-3, Laurio. But he draws the foul.
That's on Tikboy del Rosario, partner.
3 minutes and 12 seconds remaining in our second quarter. 41-26 ang ating score. At itong Ako Bicol Cup is brought to you by Representative Zaldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. Danilo Laurio with 3 points in the ball game. Misses his first shot. And misses both his charity shots for Team Baleno.
Ito, partner, ano ko muna ito, no? Pa-shout out sa Villanueva family and Uncle P. Crispy Pata from Leo Villanueva. Ayan po. Shout out Villanueva family and Uncle P. Crispy Pata from Leo Villanueva.
And there's a scuffle in the middle of the court. It is Fragoso. Fragoso drives hard to the basket and gets that 2 points. Fragoso with 5 points in the ball game. He's starting to heat up here sa ating second quarter. Del Rosario gets the switch to Calo for 3. Joquino grabs the ball to Fragoso. Fragoso to Poole underneath the basket. And that's another easy shot for Mark Poole. He is really racking up the points with 12 sa ating ball game. 2 minutes and 13 seconds mapapatawag ng timeout itong mga taga-Aroroy. And coach, what do you think was the highlight sa larong yon?
At yun na nga, partner, sabi ko nga, but again, for Team Aroroy, partner, maganda yung execution nila when it comes to their offense, no? But again, hindi lang na i-convert into points. Kung mapapansin mo, may 2 minutes itong si Calo. But again, for Team Baleno naman, partner, yun nga, sinasabi natin, every time they control the ball, maganda din yung ginagawang transition play. And of course, the 3-man, 3-on-2 fast break situation, maganda yung pasahan ni Noy Fragoso at ni Mark Poole doon sa sequence na yun. So, marami pang ganon. Sabi ko nga, when it comes to height, partner, pareho lang, halos pareho itong dalawang kupunan na ito. That's why they need to box out, they need to grab those rebounds para makatakbo sila itong Team Baleno. Kaya kung magtutuloy-tuloy yan, partner, for sure, makakalapit at makakalapit yan for Team Aroroy dito.
And Mark Poole leading his squad here sa ating second quarter with 12 big points. And Aroroy's lead is just cut down to 11. And let's see.
Sabi ko nga, partner, during their last game nung elimination, alamang pa when it comes to total rebounds itong mga taga Baleno dito with 40 rebounds on that game, 35 lang for Team Aroroy. But again, sabi nga natin, hindi mo kasi matawaran yung 53 points sa Tikboy del Rosario at that game.
That's right, coach. And here is Del Rosario. 4-on-2. Del Rosario, easy left-handed shot. And Tikboy Del Rosario already having 9 points sa ating ball game. Joquino, 2-man game with Salvacion. To Campo. Campo slashes through, but that's a traveling violation. He was blocked there by Mondragon.
Partner. Pero good aggressiveness on the part of Campo, attacking Haper Mondragon. Sabi nga natin na talagang sinubukan niya si Haper doon. But again, si Haper ang namayagpag doon sa play na yon.
And you can't really disregard the length of this Hafer Mondragon. Napakahabang player.
Oo nga.
But right now, here's Mortel. Mortel to Del Rosario. Switches the play to the right side. Has an isolation with a big man. Calo again with 4-3. He misses. Here is Joquino. Trying to reset the game. Ragoso. Kalimutan, short stab, no good. Rebound by Mondragon. And he tried to plead his case there. I think he was hit. Pero ito, tuloy ang laro. Mortel slashes through. Nakuha ni Contojos ang bola. Easy putback for Randy Contojos. Randy Contojos with double digits sa ating ball game. 10 points for him. Here is Jukino. Scanning the field. 6 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter. Has a chance to put up a shot here. And that ends our first half sa ating ball game. 45-30. Lamang pa rin ang mga taga-Aroroy with 15 points. Pero coach, what were the good signs here para sa Team Baleno?
Yun nga sinasabi nga natin, partner. May panakanakang runs itong Team Baleno. But again, once na ginagawa nila yon, laging may sagot itong mga taga-Aroroy, partner. And their own version ng kanilang fast break and transition play. So sabi nga natin, kung gano'n ang mangyayari, medyo malamya yung depensa. Kung gano'n yung titingnan mo, no? Kasi nga sabi nga natin, yung offense mo maganda, but again, na-scorean ka naman sa kabila. So hindi dapat gano'n ang mentality. Dapat pag naka-score kayo, kailangan nyo umistop. At kung makontrol nyo yung bola, tuloy-tuloy lang with your transition offense for Team Baleno.
And that's right, coach. There's a lot in store para sa ating second half later when we come back after the break. And huwag kayong alis, mga kasurog. Ito ang ating Ako Bicol Cup. Is hatid sa inyo ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurog pa. We will be right back para sa ating break.
Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Mataanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang digdi sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Nangunguna pa rin sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa buong Kabikulan, mga panturismong infrastruktura,
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang digdi sa muya.
mga paaralan at mga gusaling kapakipakinabang.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan, ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arag po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi, ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Matanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang digdi sa muya.
Maraming salamat, ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon, mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Nangunguna pa rin sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa buong Kabikulan, mga panturismong infrastruktura,
Kaya salamat sa ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang digdi sa muya.
mga paaralan at mga gusaling kapaki-pakinabang.
Maraming salamat, ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaunin tabang hali sa ako Bicol Party List.
Salamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Tayo nakakatabang sa muya sa gabi.
Maaasahan, ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Dakulaon ng pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Dakulaon ining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, Marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miis.
We are back live sa ating Battle for Third dito pa rin sa Milagros Municipal Covered Court featuring Aroroy and Baleno. This game has been exciting at the opening frame and the start ng ating first quarter and second quarter. Lamang pa rin ang mga taga-Aroroy with 15 points, 45-30. And later on, we will feature the game 2 of our finals and I'm sure a lot of viewers and a lot of itong mga kasugali is very excited to watch that ball game, Coach. Coming into this second half, what do you think are the adjustments nitong both teams?
Yes, partner, but before that, no, tutukan muna natin itong team statistics, no, for those for both teams, Baleno and Aroroy. Bench scoring 7-2, partner. So maganda, sabi ko, ang pinapakita in terms of bench points itong mga taga Baleno dito. Points in the paint, pantay, partner, 26 points pareho. Turnovers dito medyo masakit for Team Baleno, partner. 8 turnovers ang kanilang naitala nung last half kumpara sa 5 lang. So good ball protection on the part of Team Aroroy. But again, sabi nga natin yung fast break points naman lamang ng isa itong mga taga Baleno. Sabi ko nga, partner, nakabawi itong mga taga Baleno when it comes to their fast break points and fast break opportunity na talagang nai-convert nila into points. Second chance opportunity, mas lamang dito ng 2 puntos lang itong mga taga Aroroy, partner. But pansinin ko din, partner, ito siguro that's why down itong mga taga Baleno dito. Itong 3-point, partner, 12 ang binitawan itong mga taga Baleno at wala man lang naipasok compared mo dito sa mga taga Aroroy. 18 attempts at mayroong 4 made basket on that Rainbow Country. So yan ang titingnan natin, partner, dito sa pagpabalik ng ating laro, no? Kung may adjust yan ng Team Baleno, that's why they are down right now because of that percentage. Also, those field goals, sabi ko nga, hindi nila ma-convert into points yung kanilang field goal, partner. So 32.5% lang on the average, but ito ng mga Team Aroroy ay 41.9%. Leading scorers natin, Ronald Murtel mayroon ng 12 points at sa kabila naman Mark Poole mayroon ng 12 points, partner.
And those players are the leaders for their teams sa ating ball game. De La Rosa starting the ball with Baleno. Here is Joquino at the top of the circle. Here is Mark Poole to Joquino. Fakes out Mondragon, goes inside, middle shot via De La Rosa is good. And Ralph De La Rosa draws first blood for our second half dito sa ating battle for third, Aroroy versus Baleno. 45-32 ang ating score. Mortel. Here is Calo. Calo slashes but loses the ball and still ball goes to Team Aroroy.
Good defense on the part of Baleno on that play.
4 seconds to shoot here on the inbound. Del Rosario popping out. Gets that three-pointer to go. That is a miss. De La Rosa. And it's stolen by the Aquaman. Contos trying to slow things down. De La Rosa. Del Rosario, rather. And the middle jumper. That's good. And Tikboy Del Rosario already having 11 points para sa ating ball game.
Gandang short stop jumper dito ni Tikboy at sa kabila naman babawi si Joquino but wala, partner. Sabi ko nga, again, they're struggling on that Rainbow Country. Ito mga taga Baleno and that's a sorry miss also on the part of Joven Salvacion.
That's right, still struggling here ang mga taga Baleno outside the Rainbow Country. It is Mortel. That is a no good. Nakuha ni De La Rosa ang bola. Pinasa kay Fragoso to Salvacion. And that's a block! All ball para kay Del Rosario but there's a foul. And that's a great defensive play from Tikboy Del Rosario.
Yes, partner. Grabe yung defensive prowess na pinakita doon ni Tikboy. Not giving up on that play. Kung mapapansin mo, ito si Joven Salvacion stands about 6'2". Partner, but again, right now, we have a report from Miss Mabel Echegoyen. Mabel, anong balita dyan?
Maayong hapon, Jem and Coach Paul, at sa ating mga kasurog. I am Mabel Echegoyen, your courtside reporter for the side of Team Aroroy. After the first half, Coach Orlando Almonte Jr. says that they are determined to win this ball game. That's why we're witnessing their double effort inside the court. Kahit nakakalamang ay hindi pa rin umano sila nagpapakampante dahil mahirap ding kalaban ang Team Baleno. So for now, they will continue to capitalize on their fast breaks, tight defense, and teamwork until the end to maintain their momentum. Moreover, win or lose, Team Aroroy is thankful to be part of this prestigious league in Bicol Region, Ako Bicol Cup. And that's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Miss Mabel, for that update. And earlier, Coach, we saw a great transition play from Team Baleno. De La Rosa blocking Mortel in the fast break opportunity. But right now, here is Calo. Kicks out to Del Rosario. Del Rosario in the middle again, but that's a no good. De La Rosa. With the point guard duties, passes to Salvacion. Joquino cutting in the middle, but that was blocked by that passing lane was blocked by Mondragon. And this player, coach, itong si Mondragon, shuts down the passing lanes. And talagang ano siya,
nakaka-intimidate
siya.
Partner sa ilalim. And of course, sabi nga natin, because of his length, partner, at ayun, that's a sorry turnover on the part of Baleno. Hindi pa nakapasok doon si Mark Paul.
Yeah. Mark Paul thought he was inside and passed to Joquino on the wing. Pero ayun na, nagkaroon ng turnover for Team Baleno. 49-34 ang ating scoreline. 6 minutes and 57 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
So sabi nga natin, mabalik tayo, partner, no? Wala masyadong offensive setup both teams, so they're just capitalizing on their primary offense. Talagang pag nakuha nila ang bola, takbuhan sila, looking for that open guy on the transition. So, but right now, ito, tingnan natin itong almost a flex play for Team Aroroy.
And Mortel manning the point. Gets a pick. Mortel to Calo. Calo thinks about the three-point shot. Mortel. Runner. He misses that shot. Here is Joquino to Fajardo. And there's a foul. A loose ball foul on number 26. Itong si Aljon Calo.
Sa second foul, partner, of Aljon Calo dito sa ating ball game.
Here's Fajardo. Thought about the three-point shot. Passes to Pool. Joquino. Libre. Punches it through. Jonas Joquino.
That's the first three-pointer of Jonas Joquino and the first three-pointer of Team Baleno, partner, on this game. Sabi ko nga, after 14 attempts, partner, ito, nakakonvert na sila beyond the arc.
Nakako siya ng unang three-point shot from Team Baleno. They struggled in the first half. Pero ito ngayon, si Del Rosario. And coach, we observed na ito si Tikboy Del Rosario has been missing sa ating three-point shot.
Struggling dito sa ating Rainbow Country.
And of course, coach, as we know, talagang nung elimination na matchup nilang itong dalawa, Tikboy Del Rosario scored 10 three-point shots.
Grabe.
And right now, it's the opposite of that result.
Yes, partner, at wala pa siyang naibubuso dito.
And Rehuso could not handle that touchdown pass from Tikboy Del Rosario. He has been the provider for Team Aroroy.
Yes, partner. Sabi nga natin, that's a good pass at Tikboy Del Rosario. But medyo nag-hesitate si Rehuso doon, partner. Pag ganun talaga, itakbo mo lang. Huwag mo hintayin. Yung bola, darating yan sa'yo.
And earlier, Joquino opened up the three-point shooting. And right now, De La Rosa joins him in the scoreline.
With his own version ng kanyang three-point. Ito, single digit na lang, partner, ang inahabol dito. Ito ang mga taga-Baleno. Largest lead, partner, for Team Aroroy is 21 points. Right now, siyam na lang itong kalamangan.
And the momentum is really on Baleno's side. Del Rosario for three. And that's what we know about him. Talagang he shoots that three-point shot.
Sabi nga natin, once a shooter will always be a shooter. Pag tinatanong ko si Tikboy, partner, Tik, paano ba yan? Nagbiminte siya. Coach, wala akong magagawa. Basta tira lang ako ng tira, papasok din yan. So that's a mentality, partner, of a shooter.
And De La Rosa tries to retaliate with that three, but he misses. Here is Del Rosario to Cantojos. Cantojos for three, no good. And both teams trying to shoot it out. Pero ito si Fajardo ngayon, nagmamadali. That's a great drive. And that's good control on the side of this big man. He can really drive that ball.
Yes, partner. Yan itong si Fajardo, mayroon nating 4 points sa ating ball game. Sabi nga natin, kung mga naglaro lang ito, dalawang ito, nung mga nakaraan nilang outing, kasi sabi nga natin, during the quarterfinals and of course the semifinals, wala sila, no? So malaking tulong sana for Team Baleno itong mga players na ito.
And Jugino, meanwhile, but there was a loose ball foul on De La Rosa. And you're right, Coach, the absences of Salvacion and Fajardo really affected their performance.
Of course, there are also yung kanilang isa pang guard na si Sean Manlapas,
Yes.
partner. Na talagang malaki yung contribution during the elimination for Team Baleno. But sabi nga nung nawala yung tatlong player na iyon for Team Baleno, medyo na iba yung runs nila dito sa ating torneo. But again, tingnan natin dito kung makakabawi itong dalawang player na ito. Itong si Fajardo at itong si Salvacion.
And as the 3-minute mark is about to be scored here, ito ngayon si Calo with his own 3-point shot scorches the net.
First 3 points and first 3 points nito ni Anden Calo.
Fajardo on the post, being doubled. Kicks out to Mark Poole, back to Fajardo. To Laurio. Laurio fakes his defender out to Pragoso. Pragoso underneath. And that's a sorry miss, but Pragoso gets the rebound, and that's a tough basket for the big guy, Noy Pragoso. And he has a chance to make it a 3-point play. Wow, great strength from Noy Pragoso.
Sa second foul of Randy Cantojos dito sa ating ball game. And partner, sabi ko nga marami-rami pang ganyan ang dapat gawin ni Noy Pragoso para makabalik sila dito sa ating ball game. Kasi kung mapapansin mo, partner, ito si Tikboy Rosario struggling. Ito si Noy Pragoso also struggling for Team Baleno. But again, ito.
And Pragoso completes the third basket for that 3-point play. Ngayon naman, nasa side ng Aroroy ang bola. Del Rosario to Mondragon. And Fajardo almost stole it from Rehuso with that pass. Pero ngayon, same ball pa rin para sa mga taga-Aroroy. 2 minutes and 42 seconds. 45 to 55. Double digit pa rin ang kalamangan ng mga taga-Aroroy. Mondragon, 3-point shot. But there's a foul, and he will shoot for 3. And there's a scuffle underneath the basket. It's between Almiña and Mark Poole. Let's hope that the commotion will not escalate given na talagang this is their last match para sa ating Ako Bicol Cup. And you know, Coach,
nagkakaroon ng konting lambingan, partner. Itong si Ray Almine. At itong si Mark Poole.
Pero you know, Coach, they don't need this type of commotions kasi, you know,
lalo na, partner, na naghahabol itong mga
Yeah.
taga-Baleno dito. Hindi nila kailangan ng mga may mate-technical sa kanila kasi that will be another. Sabi nga, eto partner, lagi ko sinasabi sa mga players ko to, no? Pag may mga ganyang sitwasyon, it will make or break us. Kasi sabi ko nga, minsan yung momentum pumupunta sa kabila, pumapanig sa kabila. Pero kung mapunta sa kanila, maganda yan for them, partner. But again, sabi nga, di natin kailangan yung may mga ganyang pang sitwasyon kasi may naitawag na eh.
And I hope both players won't have any sanctions for our ball game. Pero ito nga, itong si Almiña, this player is really physical. Kitang-kita mo ang build niya talagang veteranong-veterano. Yung mga ayaw mong makalaro na talagang ipipisikalan ka. Pero, you know, Coach, ito si Mark Poole, he will not back down from that type of play. Talagang he will also give his strength and of course, magiging physical din itong mga taga-Baleno.
Alam naman natin to si Mark Poole talaga is a physical player also.
Yeah.
But again, nung kahit ilang physical game pa yung na-cover ko kay Mark Poole, hindi siya, partner, hindi siya yung type of player na talagang babawi, no? Ito si Mark Poole, physicalin ka nito, pero sabi nga niya, pag pinisikal mo to, ang ganti niya sa'yo, physical din. Pero wala namang dirty plays na nangyayari dito. But again, sabi nga natin, this is a battle for third partner. This is also a battle of pride and glory pa rin for these teams, no? So talagang very serious sila dito.
Hafer Mondragon scores 2 points from 3 shots that he was fouled for. 58-45 ang ating score. 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in our third quarter. De La Rosa. Here is Pragoso in the middle. Handed by 3 Arroy players. De La Rosa again manning the middle. Point guard duties for Ralph De La Rosa. Great perimeter defense from Aroroy, but Laurio keeps that one in. Danilo Laurio, what a strong play from this player. Laurio with 5 points sa ating ball game. Calo to Mondragon, scans the field. Del Rosario underneath, gets to the corner for 3, and he gets that one to go. Tikboy Del Rosario with a difficult shot, off balance 3.
Partner, sabi ko paano pa naitira ni Tikboy yun at ipasok pa.
But here's Fajardo. Arroyo again with the ball. Calo with momentum from that 3-point shot from Del Rosario. Calo slows things down para sa mga taga-Arroy. 11 seconds to shoot. Tikboy again in the corner. Isolates, but gets a pick. Off-balance shot. That's a miss from him. Here is Mark Poole to Pragoso. Pragoso driving hard. Gets the basket and one. Noy Pragoso with that drive and gets that and one play. May chance mag-score ng 3 points para sa ating ball game.
So sa fourth foul, partner, on George Rihuso. At warning na siya dito for exclusion.
Noy Pragoso will shoot his free throw, bonus shot. And he makes it a 3-point play.
Soft touch, partner. Ito si Noy Pragoso.
11 ang inahabol ng mga taga-Baleno. Seconds to play. 45 seconds before we end our third quarter. 61-50. Here is Contojos. Contojos to Del Rosario with a pick from Randy. Mondragon for 3. He misses again. And itong mga taga-Arroy, they're relying on their outside shooting.
Yes, right now, partner. Oo, yun na nga. Sabi nga natin. But again, they continue to miss. That's a second miss after that shot ni Tikboy. Again, that's a good play on the part of Team Baleno.
What a good find from Pragoso. And that's a good cut from Danilo Lario. Itong batang to talagang he's a really great contributor for Team Baleno. But right now, Del Rosario is being tripled for 3. And that's a no-go. And that will end our third quarter. They cut down the lead to single digits only, 61-52. And the momentum has been on the side, has been switching between both sides, Coach.
Oo, yun na nga. Pero tingnan natin because sabi nga natin talagang itong si Noy Pragoso ay nagpapakita na dito ng kanyang lakas. No? At talagang yung efforts niya hindi matatawaran inside the paint. But again, sabi nga natin, andito naman si Tikboy De Rosario with sabi nga natin, yung mga tira na hindi natin aakalaing papasok, partner. Kita mo naman yung corner shot ni Tikboy De Rosario on that third quarter. But again, tingnan natin kung ano pa magiging. Sabi ko nga, largest lead is 21 points for Team Aroroy. But right now, unti-unting nakakabalik itong mga taga-Baleno dito. So, yung magandang ginawa nila, yun nga, sabi nga natin, yung talagang transition na kinounter nila itong mga taga-Aroroy. Because on that first half is talaga yung tumatakbo itong mga taga-Aroroy. But right now, may panakana-kanang counter when it comes to their primary offense itong mga taga-Baleno dito, partner.
And Team Baleno is slowly cutting down the deficit of Team Aroroy. But before we proceed to our fourth quarter, just like to greet our live viewers sa ating social media pages. And please share those video streams. And of course, itong mga live fans natin, itong mga fans ng Team Aroroy and Team Baleno who has been here since day one para sa kanilang teams. And of course, this is kudos to the LGU of both municipalities. And this Aku Bicol Cup Masbate is brought to us by Representative Zaldico and Aku Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. And we start our fourth quarter. Aroroy is still in the lead, but to single digits being chased here by Team Baleno.
Oo, at ito, pasadahan ko pa rin itong mga leading scorers natin. Noy Fragoso, 15 points dito sa ating ball game. At ito namang sa kabila, Tikboy de Rosario, 17 points. But ito yung napapansin natin na partner for Tikboy, 20% on the average 3 points lang siya, no? 10 attempts, dalawa lang ang pumasok for Tikboy de Rosario dito sa ball game na ito.
And Calo misses that free shot from the wing here. But Aroroy still with the possession. 12 seconds to shoot. Tikboy del Rosario calling out the play. Shoots a long bomb. Cantos with a block by Mark Poole. Mark Poole ngayon, nagmamadali. Fragoso. Fragoso against Mondragon. Rebound by Poole. And Mondragon gets that rebound. Miss after miss para sa dalawang team na to. Here's Mortel. Trying to set his players up. Here's Contojos. No good again from the corner. De La Rosa to Fajardo. But there's a traveling violation. And coach, both teams are starting out strong pero medyo nagkakaroon ng helter-skelter.
Oo, they're struggling under shots. Dito, itong dalawang kupunan. And natawagan pa doon ang traveling violation. Itong si Ernest Fajardo.
And Mortel calling out the play. Gets the pick from Mondragon. Mortel trying to free himself up. Nice cut from Randy Contojos. And there's a timeout. The coach of Baleno did not like that play. Did not like the defense shown by his players.
Early timeout sa pagsisimula ng ating fourth quarter. At yun na nga, sabi nga natin, partner, di pwedeng yung start nila ay maging malamya, partner. This is the fourth quarter. Kumbaga, last push, partner, for Team Baleno na hindi pa nakakalamang dito sa pagsisimula ng ating laro for sa Team Aroroy. Sabi nga natin, hindi pwedeng ganon. Kung gusto nyo makahabol dito, you should be aggressive both offense and defense, partner. So siguro yun ang napansin ng coach, medyo nagiging malamya yung runs itong Baleno. That's why they call a timeout.
And that timeout is really crucial for them given na talagang early pa lang. Just less than 2 minutes ang nakalipas sa ating fourth quarter. Pero they burned down that their timeout. Balik sa 11 ang kalamangan ng Aroroy. Juquino starting the fall of the ball game. Here's Juquino. Pass to Mark Poole. Mark Poole on the wing gets a pick from Salvacion to Juquino. Free on the wing. Long bomb. That's a no good. Rebound by, but there's a foul. It's a loose ball foul while they were chasing the ball here. And I believe pang-apat na to ni Juquino. This is a very critical player para sa mga taga-Team Baleno, but he is in foul trouble ngayon, coach.
Yes, partner, sabi nga natin. Foul trouble itong si Jonas Juquino with 4 fouls. At sa kabila naman, partner, itong si George Trihuso may 4 na din na foul for Team Aroroy.
But right now, here is Mortel. Mortel gives the ball to Del Rosario for 3. He still misses. Mortel naman. Trying to create an opportunity. Here is Mondragon. Passes inside to the post. Fadeaway jumper, and that's easy money for Randy Contojos.
14 points, partner. Itong si Randy Contojos dito sa ating ball game.
Fajardo tries his own jumper, but he misses. Ito na ngayon, si Tikboy del Rosario. And Aroroy trying to burn the clock here.
Oo, partner. At talaga dapat ito si Danilo Laureo. Lapitan ito si Tikboy. Dapat may pressure ka sa ball handler, partner.
Del Rosario passes the ball to his big man, Contojos, to Mondragon. Here's Calo, but he travels. And a step too many for Aljon Calo. 7 minutes and 24 seconds remaining in our fourth quarter. 65-52. 13 points po ang inahabol ng mga taga-team Baleno. Fragoso for the men in white. Fragoso in the middle. Gets it to Mark Poole. Wing shot. That's a no good. Rebound by... Oh, but there's a turnover. Here is Joquino. Joquino, what a block by Hafer Mondragon. And the ball will go to Aroroy. And Tikboy Del Rosario is very keen on slowing things down, Coach.
Oo, but again, tinitingnan lang ng mga taga-Baleno, partner. Itong mga players, itong Aroroy, wala man lang pressure na ibinibigay. But again, that's another opportunity for them. That's a turnover of Calo.
Yeah.
So another opportunity for Team Baleno to inch closer dito sa ating ball game.
And here sa ating fourth quarter, every possession counts for
partner.
Team Baleno. And right now, they need to capitalize and score. Here is Laurio. Gets a pick from Fragoso. Laurio to Joquino. Gets it to the post. Salvacion with the jumper. He misses that shot, but there's a foul. And there's that's unnecessary roughness from Fragoso. Matatawagan siya dito ng loose ball foul while Hafer Mondragon was rebounding that ball.
There's a third personal foul on Noy Fragoso dito sa ating ball game. Good strong rebound on the part of Hafer on that play.
Kita mo ko talagang dalawang tore yung tumalon para sa bolang yon.
Oo, at talagang gigil na gigil si Hafer na makuha yung bola na yon. As again, itong mga taga-Aroroy, ito partner, dapat makita ito ng mga taga-Baleno, no? So they should apply pressure on the ball handler, no? Kasi pag tinignan mo lang yan, mas lalo makaka-set up yan.
Del Rosario, long bomb. He still misses that three-point shot. Rebound ngayon ng mga taga-Baleno. Fragoso to Laurio. Thinks about it. Gets inside. Nice drive from Danilo Laurio.
Ito si Danilo Laurio talagang walang takot, partner, pag talagang dumadrive, no? So 8 points ito sa ating ball game.
Portel. And the lead is just down to 11 for Team Aroroy with 5 minutes and 42 seconds. Portel gets a pick from Cantojos. Gets the switch. Rehuso. And there's a loose ball foul.
That's on Danilo Laurio.
He was guarding Tikboy Del Rosario, and the play was going to the post here for Tikboy, pero ayan, tawagan ng foul dito si Danilo Laurio. Del Rosario inbounding the ball, looking for his teammate. Contojos to Mortel. Mortel now drives. Mondragon for three. Misses, but there's Rehuso to clean the glass para sa Aroroy.
Gandang second chance opportunity for George Rehuso. 4-point siya dito sa ating ball game. At ito, 5 minutes and 15 seconds remaining, partner, sa ating ball game. At again, nakakalabang pa dito talaga itong mga taga-Aroroy. As a much-needed 3 points coming from Mark Poole.
Mark Poole with that long bomb, and they really needed that one.
Yes, partner. 18 points itong si Mark Poole dito sa ating ball game. At ito, balik sa 10 ang inahabol dito.
Here is Tikboy Del Rosario with 10 seconds to shoot. Gets a pick from his big man. 3-point shot. Still no go, but there's a foul. And he was hit in the face. Itong si Fragoso, he tried to challenge that shot. And I think that was not a wise foul for Noy Fragoso. We know that Tikboy Del Rosario has been struggling sa three-point country, and he really extended his arm there.
Good
trying
challenge
to stop.
na yun, good challenge na sana on the part of Noy Fragoso. But again, tinamaan pa ito si Tikboy Del Rosario dito.
He now has a chance to shoot 3-point shots here. 3 shots here sa ating free throw, but our officials will review the play if there was any unnecessary contact.
Oo, partner, yun na nga. Kasi medyo nakakatakot yun, no?
And our officials are CJ Sanchez, Edison Castrera, and Edgar Faraon for this ball game. And Tikboy Del Rosario is still struggling to get up from that 3-point attempt. Pero, you know, Coach, Ano sa tingin mo? What do you think about that foul on the top of the arc?
Yeah, sabi nga natin, siguro may halong frustrations na din ni Noy Fragoso, no? Because sabi nga natin, quite struggling dito sa ating ball game. And kung mapapansin mo, yung body language din ni Noy, medyo, kung mapapansin mo, medyo malamya, no? But again, sabi natin, tingnan natin yung maitatawag dito sa foul na iyon, no?
And our officials will have their decision para sa ating foul na yon. Still, 4 minutes and 49 seconds, a lot of time here. 10-point cushion for Team Aroroy. There's still a lot of time for Team Baleno to come back from this lead.
Oo, buhay na buhay pa dito itong mga taga-Baleno.
And crew chief CJ Sanchez with the decision sa ating our table announcer will have the decision from our officials. And coach, from the recent plays, itong mga plays earlier, what do you think should be the adjustment naman of Baleno given na talagang even though they're scoring bunches din sa kabilang side, they're allowing itong mga taga-Aroroy na maka-retaliate, maka-score din.
Yung nga sinasabi ko sa iyo kanina, partner, no? Hindi mo pwedeng panoorin lang yung ball handler. You should give pressure sa ball handler. Kasi ang ginagawa. At tingnan muna natin itong last play.
And as we look at the replay, the decision of the referees is an unsportsmanlike foul for Fragoso. He really hit Tikboy on the face there. Kitang-kita sa ating replay. That's credit to our
And kung makikita mo, nakaangat yung bola, partner. So dapat doon papunta sa bola, hindi doon sa mukha. So,
that's quite rash on the side of Noy Fragoso, but I think there's no malice in that or bad intention.
Wala naman bad intention si Noy Fragoso on that play. But again, sabi nga natin, ayun talaga, medyo talagang tumama doon sa mukha ni Tikboy de Rosario.
And the ball possession will go to Team Aroroy with 14 seconds on the shot clock. They will have possession here and try to extend the lead. Para mas, but there will be another. There will be another shot here for Tikboy del Rosario.
3 points, partner,
The players of Team Baleno are pleading their case. Kay CJ Sanchez, our referee for this ball game. We will shoot again for that play kasi nga foul on the 3-point line, shooting foul. Nasa shooting motion siya nun. So, ayan, everything is cleared up. And we will continue this ball game. Del Rosario inbounding the ball. There's Mortel.
So kung makikita mo, partner, walang pressure sa ball handler. So mas nakakapag-set up itong mga taga Aroroy dito.
And Del Rosario still struggling beyond the arc. But still, the offensive rebound is grabbed by Mondragon. Here is Mortel. Mortel to Rehuso. Tries his own 3-point shot. And that's a no-go for him. Here is Joquino. Spreads the ball to Fragoso. Fragoso to Laurio. Laurio, short jumper. And there's a touchdown pass to Mortel. Mortel, that's good!
That's another good find on the part of Tikboy de Rosario to Mortel. Yun nga yung sinasabi natin, partner, every time. But again, sabi natin, Danilo Laurio hindi pa tapos dito for Team Baleno. Sabi nga natin, kanina sana na ibaba na nila sa 10. But again, that foul kay Noy Fragoso dito kay Tikboy de Rosario.
Here is Mondragon, almost stolen by Fragoso. Rehuso kicks it out to Del Rosario for 3. And it continues for him. But there's Mondragon to clean the glass. And scores his own 2 points for the putback.
Wala man lang bumaksak po dito kay Hafer.
But there's a foul. He will shoot for 2 here.
Again, ito si Danilo Laurio. Ayaw dito, partner, na siguro ang mindset dito ni Danilo Laurio, ayaw nito matalo dito sa ball game na ito. But again, sabi nga natin, laging may sagot itong mga taga-Aroroy. At yun ang sinasabi natin kanina, partner. Comes sa fourth quarter, no, binabagalan na nitong Aroroy ang tempo ng laro, no? So that's why kailangan itong mga taga-Baleno dito na pro-measure ng konti, partner, para medyo hindi makapag-set up na maganda itong mga taga-Aroroy at malimitahan yung kanilang conversion. But again, medyo hindi nangyayari yan dito sa ating ballgame. So titingnan natin with 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining sa ating ballgame.
And you know, partner, I'm quite surprised with the performance of Tikboy Del Rosario. I'm not trying to say na it's a bad performance from him. He's just struggling beyond the arc. Pero he has been the provider for Team Aroroy. Yung mga pasan, yung mga touchdown passes, it really helps Team Aroroy to get this lead.
And also the leadership, partner, na naibibigay nito ni Tikboy Del Rosario dito sa ating ballgame, no? Kung mapapansin mo, talagang gusto niyang kontrolin yung laro. Pagpasok ng fourth quarter, talagang sinasabihan niya itong si Ronald Mortel, itong si George Rihuso na don't panic, huwag kayong magmadali, no? Kasi tayo ang lamang. So, yun ang magandang gesture na ginagawa dito ni Tikboy Del Rosario.
And Laurio scores his first charity shot. And Laurio has been a revelation for Team Baleno. Talagang siya ang nag-i-score ngayon sa fourth quarter.
Yes, partner. Sabi nga natin, the only bright light for Team Baleno, itong si Danilo Laurio dito.
Here's Mortel being hounded by Laurio. And the big man of Aroroy are now at the top of the circle. Here is Rehuso. Contos slows things down. And there's a turnover. Joquino. And they need to capitalize this possession. Fajardo drives hard, and there's a foul on Tikboy Del Rosario. He will shoot 2. Itong si Mark Ernest Fajardo. And against that unstoppable force, talagang you have no option but to foul him.
Sabi ko nga, the tank. Itong si Fajardo.
Bagay na bagay sa player na to ang nickname na The Tank.
The Tank. So talagang naalala ko tuloy doon sa Camsor League. Mayroon din kami doon si Jason Orada who played for Iriga.
Another consistent player.
Oo, the muscle guy naman itong si Jason Orada. But ito, sabi natin, Fajardo, The Tank. Ito, pasok yung...
And his free throw is good. He cuts down the lead just to 14 here. Just to 12 here, rather. 2 minutes and 51 seconds remaining in our fourth quarter. 11 seconds to shoot for Mortel. Mortel kisses it out to Rehuso. Rehuso tries to pass it to Del Rosario. That's no good. Rebound by Mondragon. Mondragon being hounded by Pragoso, but there's a foul. And I believe that's on Pragoso.
That's the 5th foul.
And that will be his 5th personal foul. He will set things out here with 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Coach, big loss on the side of Team Baleno. Talagang he was the one battling it out with the twin towers of Team Aroroy. And right now, he's sat down here. Buti na lang. Reinforce sila ngayon kasi nandito ang presence ni Salvacion and ni Fajardo. But still, Pragoso will sit things out.
Malaking kawalan, partner.
Yeah. And Mondragon misses both of his shots here.
Also, just George Rihuso, 5 na rin foul, partner.
And 2 excluded players from both teams here. And the ball will go to the men in white. Joquino. Pinasa kay Laurio. Joquino thinks about a 3-point shot. He misses. Salvacion. And that pass was troubled by Tikboy Del Rosario. And with 2 minutes remaining, 22 seconds shy of last 2 minutes, they need to score in this possession. Joquino to Laurio. Laurio goes by himself and gets it to go. Itong si Danilo Laurio, he's been racking up the points here sa ating fourth quarter. Del Rosario to Contos. Slowing things down here sa ating ball game. Mortel with the mismatch against Salvacion. He has a speed advantage here. Mortel gets that layup to go, but he misses. Here is Laurio. Laurio once more, and one! Danilo Laurio has been the brightest spot for Team Baleno.
Sinasabi nga natin dito, partner, this is just a single-digit lead for Team Aroroy.
And he cuts down the lead.
Sabi ko nga kanina sa'yo, partner, yung mukha ni Danilo Laurio talagang ayaw magpatalo. Talagang game face on itong si Danilo Laurio dito sa ating ball game.
He misses that three-point play opportunity, but he really is playing like the pride of Baleno here.
Yes, partner, oo.
Talagang grabe pinapakita, but he gets a foul here. Mortel draws it from him.
So 8 na lang ito, partner, na hinahabol dito.
Only 8 points for Team Aroroy, and that cushion is manageable for Team Baleno. 74-66, 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining in our fourth quarter. And already nasa penalty na kaagad itong mga taga-Team Aroroy. And Mortel misses that free throw shot to chance na sana to extend the lead. And he uses the bank for an easy shot. Siyam ang kalamangan ng mga taga-Aroroy. Here is Fajardo to pull for 3. That's a miss, but there's a loose ball foul. And that will be a foul on Fajardo. He tried to grab the ball, pero nandun si Mondragon.
Oo.
And sa mga possession na yun, the unforced errors talaga, coach. You need to cut them down and you need to play smart. Kasi you have only 1 minute and 30 seconds to play here and you're chasing a 9-point lead itong mga taga-Team Aroroy.
At ito, penalty na din, partner, itong mga taga-Baleno dito. So this is free throws for Mondragon.
And he misses that shot here. Itong si Mondragon is surprising kasi he's been consistent in the free throw line. And
this is just a 10-point lead, partner, with 1 minute and 30 seconds pa rin, no?
He brings it back to a double-digit lead. Joquino. Passes to Poole. Poole fakes Cantos out. The runner is no good, and that will be a jump ball. Ball possession will be still with Team Baleno. 1 minute and 17 seconds with 12 seconds to shoot. And 10-point lead para sa mga taga-Aroroy. Laurio. And Laurio again scores!
Still. Sabi ko nga, partner, ito talaga si Laurio lang. Talagang bright light dito for Team Baleno.
And he's carrying out things for Team Baleno here. He's been the Mr. Fourth Quarter for Team Baleno.
Mr. Fourth Quarter, that's right, partner. That's the right term. At ayun, 16 big points itong si Danilo Laurio dito sa ating ball game. Na talaga kung mapapansin mo, ayun, napaupunan lang siya kasi talagang sinusubukan niya, partner. Lapit pa itong Team Baleno dito sa mga taga-Aroroy. With 1 minute and 14 seconds, this is just an 8-point lead, partner. So, they need to stop another basket. They need another stop. So, may pag-asa pa dito, partner. So, buhay pa itong mga taga-Baleno dito.
And Danilo Laurio has been, he means business in this fourth quarter talaga. But Team Aroroy, napatay mo doon si Coach. He did not like that possession. He did not like how his players defended Laurio, and he wants them to pressure him more kasi he's the only one carrying things out for Team Baleno. But right now, here is Mondragon. And Del Rosario patiently waiting for his teammate, Calo. Calo right now on the wing. Passes to Mortel. This is Del Rosario right now. May tanga ng bola. Two-man game with Mondragon. Del Rosario. Passes to Calo. Calo for 3. Airballs that one, and that will be a shot clock violation.
It's a good stop on the part of Baleno. But again, partner, 8 points. So, kailangan nila magmadali dito.
49 seconds remaining, and they need to cut down this lead. We're back to single digits. And that's a great, strong drive from Mark Poole. And the lead is just down to 6 for Team Aroroy.
Two-possession ball game, partner.
Two-possession. And Coach, what do you think should be the adjustment here for Team Baleno given they have the momentum coming in after this timeout.
Yun nga, sabi natin, kailangan nilang pressure na partner. Kung ako, whole court pressure, go for the steal first. And after that, pag wala, honest defense lang, no? Pag nakuha nilang bola, kailangan nilang magmadali, maka-score kagad. And then, another stop. So, yun ang kailangan gawin dito. But again, sabi nga natin, medyo nahuli partner yung pressure na binigay nito mga taga-Baleno. Sabi nga natin, comes the fourth quarter, medyo binabagalan nitong mga taga-Aroroy. And tinitingnan lang nitong mga taga-Baleno that opening frame ng ating fourth quarter. But again, tingnan natin kung makakabalik pa dito. This is just a two-possession ball game.
And yun ang ginagawa ng mga taga-Aroroy ever since the last 5 minutes ng ating fourth quarter. They have been burning down some clock to get an advantage sa ating ball game. But Team Baleno is not backing down here. And the possession will go to Team Aroroy. Here is Mortel. Good ball pressure, Coach. Right on cue. Sabi mo nga, Coach, they need to pressure the ball handler and they need to get those steals and try to get stops. But no fouls kasi nasa penalty na sila.
Oo nga.
And here is Mortel being hounded by the big guy, Salvacion.
For Team Aroroy, no need to hurry here, partner.
Cantos. And that's a good ball swipe from Laurio. 10 seconds to shoot. 29 seconds. Two-possession ball game, and they're running out of clock here, but they need to defend this possession by Team Aroroy. Here's Del Rosario scanning the floor. Finds Mortel. Del Rosario for three. That's a no good. But still, the offensive rebound goes to Mondragon. Del Rosario being doubled. They need to foul him here, and there you go. There's the foul. And that's at the fault of Team Baleno. Hindi sila nakakuha ng rebound dun.
Yun nga, partner, sayang yun.
And they're hoping that Tikboy misses both of his shots here. Pero that's with his percentage sa free throw line. And Del Rosario will shoot two here. 16 seconds remaining sa ating laro.
Dito sa ating ball game,
Yeah.
Tikboy Del Rosario, 100% of the free throw country.
And what he is lacking sa 3-point shot is he
binabawi.
compensating naman sa ating free
sa
throw
free
line.
throws.
Kasi kanina, Coach, he's been really shooting that three. He just shot, I believe, only two three-pointers.
2 3-pointers.
And his percentage is down here sa ating battle for a third, but he is compensating for free throws, and he shoots both shots here, 78 to 70. And a three-point shot for Mark Poole gives his team a shot, 11 seconds, but there's a foul. And there are only 8.3 seconds remaining. 78 to 73, 5 ang hinahabol ng mga taga-Baleno, pero Tikboy Del Rosario has a chance to make it 7 dito sa kanyang free throw attempts. And Del Rosario swishes that first shot in. And itong mga taga-Baleno, they need to rebound here, Coach.
Oo, partner. This is just 8.3 seconds.
And after this free throw shot by Tikboy Del Rosario, they need a quick basket. And if they can, they need to foul when the ball is inbounded here by Team Aroroy. And they should pray for a Hail Mary miracle here. And there's a slight confusion with our officials here, Sir CJ Sanchez and Sir Edison Castuera.
Ayun, binigay na kasi ng referee yung bola, partner. At hindi ito kinuha ni Tikboy, so that's automatic infraction.
And the Aquaman is furious here. He's still pleading his case.
At ito,
With Sir Edison Castuera.
this is just a 5-point lead. Or, 6-point lead, partner. So, medyo nahuli yung 3 points ni Mark Poole.
And with 8.3 seconds, Coach, if you're the coach of Team Baleno, anong play ang i-draw mo?
Ako, partner, kung sino, sabi ko nga, kunin natin yung corner. Kung saan tumira si Mark Paul, doon natin i-hit yung ating offense. So, primary offense, yun ang gawin natin. Kasi partner, kung mapapansin mo, corner is the sabi nga natin, the nearest sa ring when it comes to 3-point shot. And medyo may range naman itong si Mark Paul. So, once na pumasok, inbound ka agad, hit natin corner. Pag wala, talagang wala tayong magagawa. Sabi nga natin, medyo na late yung talagang pressure na binibigay nitong mga taga-Baleno dito.
And let's see
But
what
again,
the coach will draw up here para sa ating last possession nitong ball game, 8.3. They need 6 points para matabla itong larong to, and this is a very a tall task for Team Baleno. And let's see who's the trigger man. Poole, quick shot, gets that 3-pointer to go, cuts down the lead to only 5.9 seconds. And Mark Poole doing his magic here. Del Rosario, quick foul, and there is 4.8 remaining on the clock. Wow, coach. Sabi mo nga, coach.
Gusto ko sana corner kaso lumabas doon sa elevator So, but again, that's a good shot pa rin for Mark Poole.
That's correct, coach. Elevator play, easy shot for Mark Poole, and Mark Poole with his sharp shooting skills here cuts down the lead just to 3, and they are praying that Tick Boy misses both of his shots here.
At again, sabi ko nga partner, dito sa ating ball game, kung nag-struggle siya behind the arc, dun sa free throw line, hindi.
And Tick Boy Del Rosario is still 100%
Oo.
on the free throw line.
But again, hindi na 100 kasi kanina infraction siya sa free throw. But again,
there's an infraction.
But again, yun na, mataas yung percentage siya dito when it comes to free throws.
And let's see how things will unfold here for Team Baleno. Completes 2 shots here. Fajardo. They need a quick basket here. Joquino gets it to go!
Pero, sayang partner. But again, 3 points yun. That is not enough to win this game or even to tie this game. Congratulations, Team Aroroy dito.
And that shot only cuts down the lead to 2, pero Aroroy will run away with the victory here. They will get the 3rd place sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. Well-deserved for Team Aroroy. Great effort from them. Although Tick Boy Del Rosario struggled beyond the arc, and he was not himself this game, but that was a great final stretch here. 2 possessions from Baleno.
Good effort partner on that last seconds dito ng mga taga-Baleno. But again, sabi nga natin, short pa rin to came up with a win. Congratulations Team Aroroy dito for winning the 3rd place sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. And mamaya partner, matutunghayan nyo na yung Game 2 naman ng ating Championship Series, Best of 3 Series. Game 2 Placer kontra San Fernando. So tingnan natin kung makakabawi itong mga taga San Fernando dun sa game 2. Oo, so again, sa lahat po, please support Ako Bicol Cup Masbate, and of course Ako Bicol Cup itself, and of course ang ating social media platforms partner. Rep Saldico page on Facebook, Ako Bicol Party List on Facebook, Ako Bicol Online TV on Facebook pa rin, and of course sa YouTube we have Ako Bicol Cup sa YouTube, and of course yung ating TikTok account na Ako Bicol Cup. So may TikTok account din po tayo. So please support those social media platforms ng ating Ako Bicol Party List.
And I'm sure everyone is excited about our Game 2 of the finals later on. Pero as we look at the highlights nitong game ng ating Aroroy and Baleno, ever since the start of the first quarter, Baleno was on their back foot. They were chasing the lead, and hindi sila nagkaroon ng kalamangan. Pero ayun na nga, the biggest lead of Team Aroroy was 21 points.
21 points partner. Oo, at ito nga sinasabi natin, biggest scoring run naman is 12 points for Team Baleno, but that's not enough partner para mas malalo makadikit dito sa mga taga Aroroy. So eto, sabihin nga natin, ito si Mark Poole partner, maganda ang pinakita with 20 points sa ating ball game. Double-double sana ito si Mark Poole. 20 points with 11 rebounds. And also, ito si Danilo Laurio, partner, 18 points yung kanyang kinamada doon sa fourth quarter. Sabi mo nga, Mr. Fourth Quarter, sayang yon for Danilo Laurio and the rest of the team Baleno. But again, sabi ko nga, partner, sayang kasi medyo coming off this, battle for third is talagang kulang din sila ng players, no? Almost 3 players ang kanilang wala. But again, kudos pa rin to this team Baleno. And of course, they are included sa ating inter-province kasi top 4 teams will advance sa ating inter-province. No, na I think, partner, madali na yan. After ditong ako Bicol Cup Masbate, talagang after kaunti lang yung pahinga natin tapos sisimulan natin kagad yan, no? So, but again, congratulations to Team Aroroy for getting this third runner-up again dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Masbate, partner.
And sabi mo nga, Coach, that was a valiant effort coming from the side of Team Baleno, and I'm sure the LGU and the municipality and the fans of Team Baleno is proud of that team. But Aroroy right now are the victors of this battle for third matchup, and eto nga, they win and they secure the third place, the second runner-up for our Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. And they also qualify for the inter-province, which will be soon. And I'm sure our fans and of course our players, inaabangan na yan ang inter-province. And Team Aroroy will surely give their best there for the next tournament ng ating inter-province. But later on, sabi nga ni Coach Paul Sepe, Game 2 of our finals, yung question ko kanina sa pre-game, will it be answered? Ito na ba ang ating last day sa Masbate? Pero, you know, that question is going to be answered later between San Fernando and Placer. And congrats right now to Team Aroroy.
And right now, partner, puntahan natin, no, si Miss Danica Garcia to award, of course, ang ating third runner-up dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. Miss Danica, pasok.
Here we go! Alright, once again, good afternoon, Milagros Masbate! Isang palakpakan at iyawan naman dyan. What an incredible night and back-to-back match-up between Team Baleno and Team Aroroy. At eto na, almost 1 month and a half din. Diba? Guys, congratulations! At eto na, to complete this evening, eto na, i-award na sa atin ng Ako Bicol Cup Committee ang ating second runner-up for this battle for third game for this year, Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. Here we go! Sabay-sabay nating tawagin our second runner-up for Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. Walang iba kundi ang kupunan ng Team Aroroy! Eto na! Alright, palakpakan naman dyan! Eto na, paid to the order of Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. Makakatanggap ang Team Aroroy ng 100,000 pesos. And syempre, hindi din to magiging posible without sa tulong ng ating mga mahal na bosses from Ako Bicol. Boss Zaldico, Congressman Zaldico of Ako Bicol Party List. And also, thank you so much din kay Mayor Natividad Isabel Magbalon of Milagros Masbate for accepting us here and for welcoming us here dito sa Milagros Covered Court. And syempre, congratulations once again, Aroroy, for being second runner-up from Ako Bicol Cup Masbate. Parang gusto ko mag-interview for a while. Sige, interviewin muna natin to si Coach. Coach, pwede mo ba kami bigyan ng konting pasasalamat, especially sa Ako Bicol Party List and Ako Bicol Cup?
Una sa tanan, nagpapasalamat kami sa may kapal na kundi dahil sa kanya wala kami dito ngayon. At saka nagpapasalamat ako sa Ako Bicol Party List at saka Congressman Saldico na pagganap dito sa Masbate ng Ako Bicol. Itong Ako Bicol, isa itong prestigious na liga sa Bicol Region. So nagpapasalamat talaga kami.
Alright, once again, palakpakan natin our second runner-up, Team Aroroy! And syempre, dyan lamang po kayo mga kasurog dahil mamaya makikita din natin ang bakbakan ng Team Placer and Team San Fernando. And syempre, iimbitahan na din po namin kayo na patuloy nyo pa rin pong suportahan ang Ako Bicol Cup. And syempre, please follow